Hare Krishna, dear devotees, dear friends. In this video, I will show you how to iron your saris in an efficient way. One time, one of my friends, she became devotee recently and she was born in the US. She visited our house and I saw in the morning how she was ironing the sari. And it was taking hours and hours. She was struggling. There are people who don't know yet how to iron sari. So let's iron the sari. So as we see, there are different types of sari. They make saris with polyester and they make saris with cotton, pure cotton or cotton mixed polyester, and they make saris with pure silk or cotton mixed silk, and they make saris with linen. Like this sari is made of linen. Recently they started making a lot of this kind of linen saris. So first of all, before ironing, you need to know what is the fabric of your sari. So you need to know the proper temperature required to iron your sari, not spoiling your sari. So there are features like for cotton, linen. Cotton linen, if it's pure cotton linen, those are very strong fabrics and they can withstand the too much heat. So you can put that. If it is silk, you have to be really careful. You cannot put in cotton field. It shouldn't be so hot. And synthetic is worse because once I had synthetic sari. I bought it as a linen sari. I thought it's linen. Then I was ironing in linen function and just put my iron and there's a hole. And plus, iron got spoiled. And other thing is, in order to reduce your work, try washing the sari. Even if you wash in the washing machine. Maybe I'll have another video of how I wash my saris in the US because we don't have servants here who can wash it with hand and all. So even silk saris, I wash in the washing machine and I'll make a video on that if you want. I wash, but I don't dry in the dryer. What I do is, this is not iron sari. So when it was washed, while it was wet, I took it out and I nicely did like this and folded it and hung on the treadmill. It's a good sari dryer. If you want, you can buy a treadmill. I'm joking. It's just you can put on chair or clothes rack. So and then nicely folded and then dried it. Not under sunshade, because direct sun, because the cloth will get faded. So in the shade you can dry. So it will be easier to iron this one than this one, which I dried in the dryer. So if you dry in the dryer, your sari will be so much mashed up, then it's so tough to iron. These are the precautions before starting ironing your sari. Now let's get into the ironing board. So what my friend was doing wrong, she was taking the sari from one side, put one side in the board, putting in silk mode. Yeah, you have to put in silk mode. And she was ironing like this. And after she finishes this place, she moves a little bit here, and then she will iron again like this. So if you continue this, if today is March 2020, you will finish ironing this sari in March 2040. So that's a lot of work. So what you need to do is take from one corner like this, take like this, find the end of the sari, folding end of the sari. Fold into another. Fold again. Or like this. Fold again. Making the size of your board. Put one end in the on the board. Adjust the endings. And now start ironing. So in this way you are getting double ironing. While you are ironing on the top, you are ironing the bottom part as well. So recently we were showing to American girls how to wear sari, and after we completed the course, each of the girls were trying to fold the sari, and we were sitting and observing how they are folding. For half an hour they were like, how to fold it? They do like this, like it's not happening. So they were going crazy. Then two of them came together and helped each other, and that way folded the sari. So don't think that everybody knows how to take care of sari. So as you know, once I iron this part, I move this one here. And again, as you see, already backside is also being ironed. So if you see backside, here is a little bit ironed, here it's not. So continue. And to do things even better, once you reach the end or half, you fold it again, iron. Don't iron the corner because you will have a line then. So now it doesn't need to be 40 years to iron sari. You need only 10 minutes probably. Sometimes if I need to iron a lot of saris, I fold the sari like this under, and I put because daily I iron my husband's clothes, so I put my sari on top like this, like a towel, and I iron his clothes, and my sari gets ironed automatically under. Because we want to save time. We want to be efficient. And now I'm going the other way. Because this side was round, it's not designed for sari. So I'll fold this place one time like this. Some very thin saris will be ready with this ironing. But because this sari is not so thin, so I'll go find the middle part and unfold it, turn it, and fold in different place, making sure all the sides are together. So done. The sari ironing is done. I didn't spend 20 years to iron one sari. This is so long! How to fold the sari? Yes, and bonus tip is how to fold your sari very fast. As I told you recently, we were showing how to wear sari for American girls, and after that they were like, how to fold the sari. It's so long. They got tired. Half an hour they wasted and they were not able to fold the sari. And two of them came together. One is in another room, another is in this room, and they started folding together and accomplished. So how to do it efficiently? Very fast. First, let's find the end. Let me take the sari. Brighter color, you can see nicely. First, find the end part. The size, like whatever your hands can fold comfortably. You may go like this, but it's very uncomfortable for you. Take like this. You can go like this, it will be too much work. Take this. And do like this. Make like this, like this. Again, scroll from here, find this end. Again. Like this. Like this. It's like Japanese fanning, paper fanning, no? Like that. And then do like this. Do one more time. So easy, isn't it? And then hang in the hanger. And here comes few saris of Mohini Madhavi. You know, I have only 40 saris. And these are my few saris, friends. Actually, before marriage, I came to US with 2 saris. Some gifted saris, but usually I used to have only 2 saris. Because, you know what? I thought I'm a pure devotee. And now the secret of a pure devotee revealed. 40 saris in 5 years. Thank you so much, dear friends. This was the video about how to iron your sari efficiently and how to fold it. If you have some suggestions, expert suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.